What we have here is window treatment installed. It opens like this from the bottom up, and then here is the original exterior window, and this can be opened for access to the outdoors, and then this is closed to trap in all of the pollen, the dust, provide a thermal barrier and a soundproof barrier. This material itself is hurricane proof, almost impenetrable. And what we're doing is we're locking in the pollen and the dust and the dirt inside the window cavity. And this is a clean handkerchief, and I'll show you what gets trapped in this window in a week's time. And outside of this window, I can show you that nothing gets trapped. There is no dirt or dust. Why? Because all of the dust and dirt is trapped inside the window cavity, so you're not breathing it into your lungs. This is a bedroom window in my home. That means the dust and dirt and pollen does not come into my bedroom.